Hey guys, it's Saturday in Nebraska and we had a great little snowfall last night, a little bit of storm. Saturday, it's homework day. We're getting really close to our February 2nd goal for opening. We've got 18 days left and this is what we have to get done on a Saturday to be able to hit those goals. I need you to press the like button. I will take you along the exciting journey of printing out paperwork. So of course my printer is out of ink. How about we save a couple trees and we just fill it out on the computer? So not that exciting, but I feel like it's the most important thing that I'm doing today. It's filling out my paperwork to start up my booking system, booking engine. It's 5,000 bucks. And then I have to start paying 600 bucks a month after that. Now, those of you that invest in real estate know that there's always gonna be $1,000 something or other. Hotels are no different. There's always a $5,000 or $15,000 chaotic thing that has to happen right this second. So, although this seems kind of crazy, it's standard protocol. You're gonna get commercial grade stuff, and it has commercial grade prices. Okay, paperwork's done. So one of the hardest things that I have to deal with when trying to figure out this hotel remodel is what way to go with certain things. You know, like cosmetic wise. About to make a decision that's gonna change the way the hotel looks forever. It was a 5-second decision. So if you look all around my building, it has this stucco, fake stucco stuff. And I hate it. Looks like a 1990s whatever. And on all these rooms out here, I mean, I get it was done recently, but all these rooms, it looks pretty good. But tomorrow, we've decided to change something. This one room, we tried repairing, it looks bad. We're gonna be going and replacing it with the lap siding that we have around the annex and around that little shed outside. So, bring it into, I guess, the normal Midwestern look of getting rid of the stucco. That'll be fun, and hopefully this one room doesn't look like a sore thumb, because I'm not going to do 55 of them all at the same time. It's not really worth it right now, right this second. So, anyhow, that's the one thought that I'm making right now. It's going to change everything. Let's check in on the siding guys and see what they're actually doing. They've been at it for a couple of minutes.
Cut out the corners, or all around the top, the caulking, around the stool, along the bottom of the tub, knock out anything that was loose.
Okay.
And we'll replace it and caulk it up and make it look nice.
Sounds good.
Okay.
We're gonna try to do 15 of these rooms by the end of tomorrow. This guy's gonna be crazy, but you know, it just has to be done. The tile looks good until you start going around smacking on it and then you find the loose areas. So we also are replacing these pieces right here where they're missing. So, and look at that toilet bowl. What a beautiful shot. So they're demoing the each room first as they go along, yep. And then they're gonna come back through and put it in.
Yep.
So we're not just starting, stopping.
Got it.
Awesome. Thank you, bud. Well, that's about all I have for today. At some point, I need to make a video showing the different forms of passive income that I make, but you can't really own a hotel and count on the income. It's seasonal. So I've made a habit, especially with this property, of making sure there's lots of different streams of revenue. I'll make a video on that at some point in the future, but thought these were kind of cool. Okay, Julie's grandkids wanted to be in a video, and so, I don't know. We got these cool new gumball machines, so why don't you guys just point at them and just say, look, cool new gumball machines.
Look, cool new gumball machines.
It's weird, kids being shy on camera. I don't know, they're not shy the rest of the time. You too could be earning passive income with Citadel FM. If you have a lobby or a small business, it's free money. Sign up, link in the description.